India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Good morning, children. Fit India movement is a nationwide movement in India to encourage people to remain healthy and fit by including physical activities and sports in their daily lives. It was launched by our Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, at Indira Gandhi Stadium in New Delhi on 29th August 2019. Is a new fitness evolution in our country. This movement encourages people to intake healthy food and lifestyle and to maintain physical and mental fitness. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Respected sisters and teachers, today I am going to say a few words about the fitness week pandemic. The benefits of physical activity and exercise have been demonstrated across the lifespan. We are meant to move and many of our body system work when we are consistently physically active. Physical activity and exercise can be effective treatment strategies for symptoms of both depression and anxiety. Each day is a new opportunity to engage in physical activity and exercise that can bring short and long-term benefits for mood, sleep and physical health. Thank you and have a good day.